Hey YouTube, this is Teen Techie, and today I'm going to show you how to use Google Keep. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So the first thing you have to know how to do is actually make a note. So to do this, you press on the take a note, then you can add a note title and the actual note. Then there are some other cool features on the bottom. So on the bottom left, there's this bell icon where you can actually set a reminder. You can either set a reminder for a specific time and date, or you can actually pick a place where you'd like Google to remind you. So for now, I'm going to pick a time. You can choose whichever date you'd like. Let's say I'm reminding myself to study the week before, and then you can set a time. If this is a recurring event, it can make sure that this reminds you weekly, monthly, yearly, or you can customize it. And as you can see, after I've added that reminder, it appears on the bottom. You can also add collaborators if you'd like other people to work on it with you. You can change the color of the note by pressing on the color palette, and you can select a color that you'd like. Then, to make your note either more visually appealing or just an image to enhance it, you click on the image icon, and then you press choose. The image will then appear on your note. Then you get more options. Adding a label is simply separating it into different topics. For example, this can be called school label. To add it, you just press this plus sign here. Now if I click out of here, you can see the new label. You can also edit or delete your labels by pressing edit labels. And you can either rename this label or you can delete it by pressing this trash icon. Another feature is you can make a copy. If you think you have multiple notes that have a similar format, then you can press that to duplicate the note. But just keep in mind, the reminder will not duplicate. To delete a note, you press on the three dots and you press delete note. You can also show checkboxes. So to do that, you go to the three dots and you press show checkboxes. And then the content of your note appears as checkboxes and you can add items. When you're finished with a task, you can simply press the box to the left, and it'll show up as a completed item. The last thing you can do is copy it to Google Docs. If you'd like it in a different format, such as a document, you can press that. And lastly, this is a really important note. You can simply press this pin icon on the top right corner, and it will pin your note under the pinned section. This sidebar here allows you to navigate through Google Keep in an efficient manner. Under notes, there's reminders, so these are all the notes that you've added the reminder settings. This is where you should have had the labels, but I deleted it. You also have all the notes that you have deleted, and you can empty your trash by simply pressing empty trash. Something else you can do is change the view of your notes. So it can either be in a list view or it can be in a grid view. Change the settings, you simply go to this gear icon on the top right corner. And then you can click on the settings to change the preferences. So here you can change the settings for notes and lists, but you can also change the reminder defaults. So if you know that you normally add reminders for a specific date, then you can do so here. You can also enable sharing by clicking on the checkbox. Once you're done changing your preferences, you can click on save. Another thing you can do through this gear icon is enable dark theme. So when you do that, the entire theme changes to a dark theme. And over here is where you can click on the help. If you have a specific question about Google Keep, you can just type it in here. And you can also look at the keyboard shortcuts. So if you'd like a more efficient way to navigate Google Keeps, this is where you'll find it. Action. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and turn on the notifications so you can be alerted when I make a new video. Thanks for watching.